Next step is putting in the rebar. You can see we already got 1, 2, 3. The rebar is going that way. Now we're starting to these ones are going this way. I've already placed these in the hole. I haven't placed the third one in the hole. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut these. What you need is you need an angle grinder. We use this big one. This is our favorite one. I recommend you, if you're not familiar with power tools, start with the smaller one. All you need is a metal cutoff disc. So that's what we got on here, and then you just get to cutting. So check it out. Make sure you have safety glasses too, by the way. All right? And you don't want to cut the rebar all the way up against the form. I forgot to mention this. You want to stay at least 4 inches away from the form. So it's right about where I'm gonna cut. There we go. So we're gonna do this next one. Alright, so the next one we're going to do is check it out. We already got the epoxy inside there, so all we're going to do is just slide this bad boy right in there. Bam! Now cut. So it's very easy. Very easy, nothing to it. The easy way of pouring concrete. Get that cable out of there. So the next section of the video is going to be us finishing up the rebar and tidying it up. Alright, how to mix concrete. So here we go. What we're going to do is we need a concrete mixer like this one, right? This is just a regular Cushland 35,000. I think the model is DVT. No, I'm joking. I don't know the model number. It's just Cushland. That's all I know. So what we're gonna do is you're gonna get this is a 5-gallon bucket. Fill it up halfway, so 2.5 gallons. Pour it in there. Let that bad boy work. Now spin it up. We're gonna open the next bag, right? This bag I already have open, so I open it. Turn the mixer off. The reason you do that is to get some of the stuff that's stuck on there off with the water, so it runs, you know. So now you get the bag. Put it in there. Also remember to have protection on the patio. So wherever you're working at, if you're doing this, if you're doing like on top of the patio, make sure you put a tarp. We bought a tarp, like 12 bucks. Put some duct tape down. We got it down there, so now if there's any concrete that spills or anything, it doesn't ruin their existing slab. We're here to add a slab, make the yard beautiful, and not destroy their existing concrete. So now we got that bag in there. Just let that run. It's good to go. It's all mixed up. Come take a look. like a watery mess, like soup, but right now once we put this next bag in there, it's gonna make it thick, like the consistency of oatmeal or something like that, you know? Finish this one, and open this bag. So when I open them, I just get a razor blade knife, put a couple holes in it, tear it open, take the bag, put your knees. Alright. Now what we're going to do is mix this up now. See it's mixing up. See in the back. So right back there, if you look, see it's starting to come off that back wall. There we go. See? 2.5 gallons of water. If you want it thicker, if you want it more dry, you can do 2 gallons. You know, but we're pouring this, you know, with the cement mixer because we don't want it to dry out on us too fast. We want to be able to work with it still once we get it poured. We are. Let that mix up a little bit. Now what I do is I turn off the mixer first before I actually start pouring it, otherwise it'll just pour all wildly. Pour it in there. And then turn it on. That's how I mix it. Now next we're going to show you how to screed concrete and then how to float it, get it all ready, and then do the broom finish. So don't forget to like, subscribe, comment below. Yeah, we'll see you here shortly. Now we're starting with a screed or cutting concrete, depends who you work with, what people call it, right? But what we're doing is we're trying to get this from being unlevel to be more or less level like this, so we can trowel it, finish it, you know, and go over it with this and make it smooth and pretty it up. But we're not at that point right now. So what we're gonna do is show you how to screed or cut the concrete. So what you do is you get it right up on the board. You're gonna have to come around this side. What you do is you get it right up on the board and you move it back and forth like this. Doing that, you can see on the other side, it's nice and flat. Sorry, just gonna put this tarp here. So that's what we're looking for. We're looking for it to get nice and flat like that back there. You see that? So that's what we're looking for. Now you can just do it all the way to the end. So we're gonna continue getting it, and wish you the best of luck on your project. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment below. We're going to show you how to float, trowel this bad boy, and edge it, make it pretty, ready to go. So continue watching. Okay, so once you have the concrete screeded all the way across, as you can see, then what we're going to do next is we'll hit it with the floats and then the finished floats, finished trowels, and we'll be good to go. So there it is, and we're going to show you guys how to float it here shortly. We're back to floating, right? So we've already kind of been playing with it a little bit, but what you need is this is a float. This is a magnesium float. This is what we'll go ahead and do. This will knock all the rocks down to the bottom, smooth everything out for you. So come take a look a little bit closer. You'll see. So once I go over it, it's gonna smooth everything out real nice and smooth. That's a little for the most part, we already got this where we want it to be. Get some of these pieces out of here. Alright. Now you guys kind of see how this works. And the way you want to do this is come a little bit over here closer. What you want to do is, you don't want to do this. You don't want to lay it completely flat and then drag it, you know, because it's not going to work out very well. What you want to do is you want to have like a little tiny little slant to it, just like that there. And when you're going this direction, that way, you want to raise it up a little bit, just like that. And when you come back, you have a little bit of space there as well. Come right back. So there we go. That's the magnesium trowel, right? That's to knock everything down. So now, since we're already ahead, and we've already got everything prepped pretty much, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna hit it with the finish trowel. You see that? Look at that. It's gonna make everything disappear. Just look at this right here. See all disappear right before your eyes, like a magic trick. There you go. You see that? There we go. So you're gonna do it to the whole slab. You're gonna do that to the whole slab. Make sure you do it to everything. And then, one of the other main parts to this process, hit in with this edger. Right? This is a trowel too. See it? Notice how I have them all in a bucket? This is so that way when I come back to use them, they're not all dry and crusty, you know? Crusty like your feet, you know what I'm saying? So, what we're doing now is, and this is the same thing as this trowel. When you're going like this, you want to lift up the edge. So same thing when you're going in that direction, you want to lift up the edge as well a little bit. Come back and do the same thing. Look at that beautiful edge right there. So you're gonna come back over here, do the same thing. Yeah. Come back and do the beautiful edge right here. Look at that. So there it is. There we go. Now you repeat the process over and over and over till you get it to where you want it. And then once it dries out, you get a broom. We have a special broom. I'm gonna show you that broom right now. And then you just drag it on the concrete once it's dry. Not completely dry, but fairly dry. Then it'll leave that same impression over there if you look at the old concrete. You can see right here the lines. See these lines? So we're gonna match that same thing over here. Do the same thing, all right? So don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Hit that subscribe button. We're trying to get up there, way up there. See you guys on the next one. Alright, so we're going to the broom finish now. We got it all floated and troweled and ready to go. This is gonna be your broom. This is just a concrete broom. You can find it at Home Depot, Lowe's, any place like that. Just a regular handle. We have extensions, but it's not needed for this application because it's so small. So all you do is you just set it on there and then lightly drag it, lightly drag it, lightly drag it, lightly drag it, always to the edge. Don't stop midway. Just come all the way through with it to the very end. Just like that there. All the way through to the very end. And there we are. So that's gonna be it for today. That's it for this video. Don't forget to hit us with a like and subscribe. Help us get our subscribers up so everybody can get some videos, you know, see what we're talking about, what we're doing. I appreciate the support, and everybody have a good one. See you on the next video.